Hey guys, this is my 2019 Tiago XZ Plus. Hello, welcome to our channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing. And today we are going to test drive Tiago 2020 XZ. Let me show you that car. This one is Tiago XZ. So today we will drive this car and I will share my feedback how I felt while driving this 2020 Tiago, and I will also try to compare with this Tiago 2019, the old model based on Impact 1.0 philosophy, and the new model is based on Impact 2.0 philosophy. And I am already using a Tiago 2019 XZ Plus petrol variant for around last 1 year, and I have driven almost around 9,000 kilometers. So let's get started. Hey, we are on NH34 and today we are just going to take a test drive of new 2020 Tiago, Tata Tiago XZ petrol model. So guys, today I am going to drive Tata Tiago 2020 new model. This is XZ petrol model. In fact, diesel model is discontinued. So let's buckle up and try to check how this engine feels. So let's see how this new car feels like. This car is punchy. It can accelerate pretty quickly. It feels more peppy, and it is pretty fine while driving over city road and traffic. This car is very much planted on the road. You can see I am driving over a very wet road and I am not running out of confidence while driving this car. It is very much stable. Power is 84 or I think 86 bhp on the tap, and the torque is 113 Newton meter on 3300 rpm. So the torque generation is pretty good and the torque figure is pretty linear. Even in fourth gear I can easily drive in 44-45 speed. I can easily accelerate in fourth gear to overtake. Now in fifth gear I can see it can quickly accelerate. Let's pass this truck. This car literally glides over wet road, and I am not running out of confidence. I can pretty assure this car can handle any circumstance, any sudden event in the wet road, even on fifth gear. In this road I can't drive over 100 km/h speed, but I'm pretty sure it can accelerate pretty well in that much speed as well. So the BS6 Revoltron engine is pretty much refined compared to the previous one. The steering feedback is very nice. When The car is in speed, the steering becomes little heavier, but I can very much assuredly feel the left hand side wheel and the right hand side wheels properly and where it is planted. So the steering feedback department is 10 out of 10 from my side. It is very well. It is not giving any false feedback, that is for sure. I am very much assured where is my wheel and where exactly I am driving on the road. This car is giving certain feel like Volkswagen Polo, probably due to the change in the aerodynamics. The bonnet is changed compared to the older model, and the aerodynamics is quite improved. The weight of the car is little reduced, and I think the acceleration is improved due to I think marginally 40 or 50 kg weight is reduced, and due to the reduction of weight the acceleration is pretty improved. So now I will take a U-turn. Let me check my rear view mirror. Steering is very nice and it is giving proper feedback. Very effortless steering. In fact, in city driving condition, it will not tire your hand even in very congested traffic. So thank you. That is my first review of Tata Tiago 2020. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.